explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen from the location, here's the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. To talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Details and numbers are available online for this property along with various emails and detailed policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem, if you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.